So I got the pet shop. So it basically has a little cafe here. And also there's I think those are mice for like the snakes. So you can buy that for your animals. And then we have the little food area for all the food, like all the food for the animals. And this dog, I think it's a service dog because this guy looks like he's blind. There's a little fish tank, a hamster. This guy, a snake, some fish stuff, another cage, pig. I think that's a bat right there. I'm not sure what that is. A fat cat, another cat, a dog. I'm not sure what this thing is. Another cat. I don't remember what these things are called. Some fishies, some cat litter boxes, and like these animals, like birds. So yeah, I'm gonna probably. I was gonna make a video, so let's do it. Basically, I'm gonna be making a video of our family again, so let's get started. Oh, hey guys. I don't know why I'm saying that. I already started the video. Today, I've been really, this past week, I've been really wanting to go on a picnic. And I haven't really been able to because we've been too busy every single time that I ask. So Mom said today that we can go. So let's get ready. I'm going to just real quick grab a basket. I'll grab the picnic basket. Okay, I'll grab some stuff. Scarlett. Caleb, come here. What? Be right back, guys. What? We're gonna be going on a picnic. What snacks do you want? I don't know. Caleb, stay in here. Okay, Scarlett, what do you want? Can I have my cheese? Yep. I'll grab 2. Oh, I guess 1. I'll grab a couple of those. I'll bring 3 because there's 3 kids. Caleb, pick what you want. Fine. I'll pick the drink I want. Okay, that will be the drink for everybody. Okay. So, like, snacks and drinks. So far, we already have a snack. We already have drink. Okay. What will be our actual food? Ooh, I can make some sandwiches. I'll grab some bread. Okay, I gotta grab tomatoes. Put some tomatoes in the fridge. Also need to grab some lettuce. And some cheese. Nope, I need to grab more cheese. Okay, let me start grabbing. Caleb, do you want cheese? Yeah. Okay. Do you want lettuce? Yeah. Okay. Do you want tomatoes? No. Okay. Put his in there. Scarlet. Yeah. Do you want cheese? Yeah. Okay. Lettuce? Yeah. Okay. Tomatoes? No. Okay. The same as Caleb's. Think the same as Caleb's. Yeah. Ava. Yes, Mom? Do you want cheese? No. Okay. Lettuce? Yes. Okay. Tomatoes? Yeah. Yours. We'll have to grab a second picnic basket and some more cheese and tomatoes and lettuce. Actually, no, more. I'll have to grab. Oh. Oopsie. Some more. No more tomatoes, but more lettuce and some more cheese. Oh, and more bread. Okay, I'll make mine. I'll make mine. Okay. Okay. This should be good. Okay, let's get going. They could do it at the beach. Let me just turn the music off, clear everybody off the beach. We'll still have the ice cream guy. Clear this thing. The water guns, the sand stuff, the cooler, this thing, something like and also clear this girl. Perfect, an empty beach. mine. Yummy. What the heck? Whose was this? Cheese was first, then was lettuce. Oh, this was probably Caleb's. This was Yum, this stuff is delicious. It sure is. This might have been Ava's. Oh well. Here's some drinks for everybody. Yummy. Some snacks. Okay, I'm ready to go. Same. Let's just put our empty cups in the garbage because anyways they're plastic. We'll just they're plastic. Mom! What? Can I keep this seashell and this seashell? Sure, I guess. Mom, can I keep this seashell? Sure. Because this one's different than all the other ones. Okay, let's go. Oh, grab our baskets. Mom, can we stop at the pet shop? No. But it's brand new. Please. No, I said no. Now that's enough. Fine. Mom, please. We're already home and I said no. Fine. Going to my room. Mom, can we please go to the pet shop? Sissy wants to and I do. Well, I don't. And neither does your father. Dad, please. No. Mom said no. I'd rather not. Sorry, guys. It took me so long because my stupid mom made us go on a picnic. I'm going to my room. Shame. Whatever. This is so unfair. I know. It's getting tiring, but I'm gonna ask Dad if we can go to the pet shop. Maybe he will take me. And if he does, I'll ask. Actually, I'll ask Mom again, and maybe she'll say yes. And then she's probably gonna ask Dad. But that's fine. Mom, Dad. What? Yes? Can we please go to the pet shop? I'll do anything. Fine. Kind of want to see the animals. Whatever your mom says. Well, Mom said yes. Well, go grab your sister. Fine. I'll get your brother. Caleb! Coming! I think we're going somewhere again. Bye. Coming what? We're going to the pet shop, so just get ready. Fine. Eek! Scarlet! What? Mom said we could go to the pet shop. Yee! Let's go. Okay, we're ready. Okay, well, let's get going. Okay, come on. Oh. I'm just gonna start putting all these animals away. I'm just gonna start putting all these animals away. Well, hello. Hi. Come on, let's go. Mom. Yes. Look at that cat. She is cute. I know. Can I please get her? No. Fine. I'm looking for a dog. None of these dogs look nothing like Nova, so I'm just gonna act like this one looks like her. This one's so cute. Can I please get this one? Well, it is your choice. Oh my gosh, I'm getting her. You just said no to me. It's fine. We'll get some dog food. I need a bag. Put that in the bag. Okay. Also going to get her a ball and a bone. Oh, don't forget about the hairbrush. Okay. Ugh. we please get another animal? Fine. This one's gonna be for me though. There's none that look like Apollo, so I'm gonna just take this. I'm not sure how to take this little harness thing off of the dog, so I'm just gonna leave it on there and act like it's his collar. I want this one. Okay. I'm naming mine Nova, and I'm naming mine Apollo. Okay, we'll grab another brush. They can use the same brush and the same food. Do we need a bed for them? Probably. Okay, I'll grab this bed. And I'll get him a tennis ball and a bone. Can I please get a pet? First, if we're gonna get any other pet, it's for Caleb. Yeah. Where'd Scarlet go? Scarlet! Right here. Okay, I want this one. Actually kind of looks like Jack's. I want this one. Okay. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, grab some food for him. I did. Okay. We'll grab a cat litter box. And that should be about it because that cat looks like he won't probably play with toys. Okay. We'll grab him a different hairbrush, I guess. Mom, can I please get a cat? Fine, pick one out. Yes, I want this one. Okay, I'm gonna name it Caramel. Mine's gonna be Jack's. Okay, they can share some food. And also they could share cat litter box and hairbrush. She might play with toys, so I'm just gonna grab a small little toy for her. And the cats don't need a bed, I don't think. And Scarlet, I'm gonna get I guess I'll get a third dog. This one is gonna be, it doesn't look like Nala, but I guess it's like, well, say it's Nala. But it's a family dog, okay? Okay. They could share everything. Her name's gonna be Nala. And I guess we'll get another cat as a family cat. And its name's gonna be Maxie. Okay. Let's get going. To pay. Okay. We got everything. Okay, perfect. I'm actually gonna switch this one out to be this one because that one looks more like Nala. Any food for you today? No. Okay, just pay. You guys can be on your way now. no. Gosh. We'll leave the dog bed down here in the living room. Actually, in the living room. So we're going to put the dog bed upstairs. Dogs are all going to be in the living room. I don't care where the cats are. I'll start unpacking stuff. The cat's hairbrush will go there. Carmel's toy. The food for them will go here. Apollo's ball. The dog's hairbrush. Apollo's bone. Nova's bone. Nova's ball, and the dog's food. I'll bring this upstairs. Okay. I think I'm just gonna break this stuff upstairs. Oh, come here, Max. I'm just gonna leave Scarlet. Actually, I'll grab Scarlet. Okay. We'll put the cat litter box in the bathroom. Jax can go in my room. Max can go wherever she wants. She's playing with her little toy. The ball for the dogs and the bone. We forgot to get Nolls a bone, but that's okay. We can keep their little toys in here and they can just grab them out themselves. We'll keep that up there, and the bones can be up there just in case. Carmel's going in my room. Maxie, I'm gonna take you into my room. This will be like a little hiding spot for them. I'm just gonna act like she's on there. Oh, Carmel, you're just the cutest thing. Okay, Jax, we're gonna go to my room. Okay. Well, bye, guys. I'm done with this video.